Hey guys, sorry. Hey guys, this is Mr. Jacob 27 here, and I got a review for all my airsoft guns. So enjoy. The first thing I'm gonna review, or um, yes, is the suckiest one, but it does have full auto. Is the AUG bar. Well, kind of sucks because there's a non-removable mag, so you can't remove the mag. Second of all, it's gravity fed, so it comes in through the scope right here, and then you put the BBs in, close it, and then you shoot. Batteries go in the back right here. There you go. Patch there too. So that's the first thing. Really sucks. Second of all, it's a very old gun. This is better than an AUG bar by far. So, and it's my first pistol I ever had. So what it has here is right here you can actually pull the gun apart. So you take off the slide first. Don't worry, this is not a real gun. See by the orange kind of tip there. It's not real. Otherwise it would be all metal. So it does have a metal thing here. The mag is plastic. So a different way of how to reload it. You hold this. So you pull that. First you do this, you open it, it's way easier. So you put it in there, you pour all your BBs in, and then you close it up. Do this and you shake it. This is to see right here. See something going down. It goes into the chamber like right here, and then you can shoot it. So that's like a million times bigger than the AUG. So that's the second gun. Third gun, it's another pistol. It's very loud. So it's a good gun. The mag is a little bit more heavier. It is plastic all around, and it's got some weights in it. So and for reloading is different. You pull this right here down, and it slides to like that, and then you put your BBs in from the top. It takes a bit longer. Then once you're done, you just do this, and then I go back up, and then as far as how much BBs you have. And by the way, this gun is a Stinger P30. I might have a shooting test in a few days, maybe. And it's got the AIRSOFT, so it's got the desert camo to it as well. This is the fourth gun. I already reviewed it, so I don't have to go over it again. It's a BB gun. It's not exactly a AIRSOFT. It can shoot pellets and BBs, so I have some BBs in here, but I'm not gonna shoot them. It's got like this. Oh, I already tell you it in the other video, so just watch that if you haven't. Alright, the final gun is one of my favorites. It's not full of size. It is the I'm not sure, but it's by Crossman. It came in with this gun too, so they both match. Duct tape the silencer as well. And the silencer can come out. Takes a long time. But there you go. Alright, there's a removable mag. You pull this down, it's kind of like the other one. Pull it back, and then you feed it in here. The back. And shoot it. The sights are a bit weird. So, because this, it doesn't have a slit through it, so you can't really see through it, which really sucks. I wish they had done a better job with this gun. And by the way, it has a removable stock. No. Like that. And it does have a strapping goggles, but I didn't want to review that, so yeah, sorry. So, see you guys later. This is Mr. J. And